Hi everyone and welcome to Munchkin World. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Maria and my Munchkin and I do really cool activities where we explore different fun arts and crafts, and then sometimes we do other outdoor fun events. So today what we wanted to do are these cool little squishies, and we have all of the ingredients that we need. So we'll be using Flex Foam It 3 Part A and Flex Foam It 3 Part B. And you will need 1 part A to 2 parts B. So for that, we have 2 cups, and we're gonna need a little stir, something to stir it with. And then you can just use a measuring cup or a tablespoon, whatever is easier for you to keep your measurements. And you need just a very little bit because it expands to at least 100 times of its size. We also have silicone shapes. With Halloween coming up, we wanted to do some fun scary shapes, and this is what they will look like, because once they're done we're going to paint them. And we have special paint, special clothing paint, so that actually sticks to the shapes. Alright, so let's go and see how the whole process goes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow along for more fun videos like this. Alright, let's go! So now these are ready to go. So we're going to just get them out.
Okay. Oh, really?
The bat.
And
They're nice and squishy. Another pumpkin. Got a skeleton.
I didn't buy skeleton.
No. Got a ghost.
I didn't like ghost.
You don't like the ghost either? And we've got another pumpkin.
Not that those away. Everything takes slow down.
So those are all nice and squishy.
Mom.
And now we can paint them
Mom.
using...
Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I think they noodles. I think they slow down.
No. So now we can use fabric paint, and it should give us a nice color. We tried it already on a different squishy that we made a little bit earlier. So this is a little squirrel. We had a little hedgehog that we painted. And then
an owl.
And we have an owl too. So they're nice and squishy.
And that was
And we have a turtle too. Oops. We have a turtle that the Munchkin painted. Nice and purple. Thank you for joining us today and making these super fun squishies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.
You